Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to show you guys how to make some fun things, pockets and things like that you can use using this really cool coffee dyed paper that I did. And if you guys are interested in see how I coffee dyed it, I will put the link down below and you guys can come check it out. But today I want to show you guys, this is how I ended the last video. I showed you guys how to do this little pocket. So just to catch you guys up, I will show you how to do the pocket again, and then we'll do another couple maybe little things. Maybe one more couple, I don't know. I'm just making this a short little video just to show you guys just how to utilize some really cool paper and to make it look neat. I mean, look at that. That's so much fun. So much fun. And let's get going here. Okay. Let me get all situated and I'll be right back. Okay. So we got a piece of paper. Now, what we want to do is, let's see, my cutter was acting up the other day, so hopefully it'll cut. But what I'm going to do is just cut this in half. Oh, it's wanting to rip it for some reason. I think my... or maybe it says paper, I don't know. But I think my needle is getting, or my little cutter is getting dull. But I have to figure that out. So what I can do is hopefully not cut this too crooked. There we go. Not too shabby. And I just love the way it just looks marbled. Yeah. So you guys have to come out and check out my videos on how I dyed it, and yeah, I got some cool stuff happening with these. All right, so what I want to do is going to do a fun little pocket, just a little side tuck here. Oh, whoop, I'm going to show you how to do this one first. I forgot the plan. So we're going to go up like this. Okay, super easy. Just go up like that. And then you're going to bend this top flap over, and you want to go to about maybe a 1/4 of an inch from the actual paper. I'll show you. Hold on just a second. So get as straight as you can. Like that. And you can see I'm just like about a 1/4 of an inch from the top of this paper. Okay. And something to bite into, just a piece of cardstock or something helps it. There we go. So we go like that, and there's the top. Now all you could do if you want to is you can sew around it, which I'm going to. I'm just going to leave that. I think it'll catch it with the sewing machine. Or you could take your glue, which I have Fabrifix glue that I use and art glitter glue, but whatever glue you got, just glue here and here, and then fold it up, and there you go. And you're done. And you got yourself a pocket. But I'm going to go to my sewing machine, and if you want something fancy here, or it doesn't have to be fancy, but you could do whatever. You can even do just any kind of stitch you want. Just make sure not to sew it shut. Open it up, do your sewing, close it up, leave this open, start at the bottom, move your way all the way around it, and end in the same spot. So just do back stitches and then back stitch. So just as easy as that. So I will be right back. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and just show you guys here. So that's the front. So I'm unfolding it like this. And I'm going to put it over on my fancy stitch. We're just going to go around. And I'm just letting the paper do its work. I'm not pushing it or pulling it, especially if you're doing a stitch that's decorative. Okay, and then you get to the curve here, and you could just kind of just curve it around. Just move. Just have your needle into the paper. Lift your foot and move it wherever you want. So just kind of curve it like this, like that. let it do its thing. And if you see that you're getting close to the edge there, you can kind of just move. Just lift your foot up a little bit. Make sure your needle's in the paper. And then you can lift your foot and move it anywhere you want. So you can just line it up how you want. And then do it again over, you know, lift your foot, move it around. And then just let it do its thing, and then I get to the edge like that. And just lift my needle. And there you go. And you got the decorative top, just like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll show you when we're all done though too. So you got the top, and then we're gonna fold it. Fold it into an envelope. Leave the top part open. Okay. And I'm just gonna zigzag all the way around it. So go to your zigzag stitch. With this one you can back stitch. And then I'm just going all the way around. Okay, so I got it all done. It kind of ripped right here, but that's okay. And I did the decorative stitch up there, and then just did some zigzag all the way around. And then there we go. And then you can round the corners. This one I didn't round the corners, but either way, however you want to do it. So there's one. And now this one is the same concept. I went ahead and did it up. The same concept as this, except for I put a little cute corner pocket here. It's like that. So what you do is, I'll show you. So you just take it, fold it up, fold this part down. Do a quick overview here on this one. Fold it down, okay? And you do the same thing as you would on here, but you got your little corner piece and you just cut it to size. Just get, you know, it's just a little triangle. So you cut it to size, and what you would do is do your decorative stitch, this, any kind of stitching you want to do on this, just do your decorative stitch first before you do anything. So you do that, okay? Then you can do this part at the top. You can pop out your circle here, half circle, and do the decorative part at the top. And then do the exact same thing, but you just place this down. I know this isn't the right size, but you would just place this down after you did your decorative stitch here and your decorative stitch here. Then you place it on where you want it, and then you just do your sewing all the way around, just like we did here. So that's pretty much the same concept, except for you decorate this first and decorate this part first, then sew all the way around. So it's pretty simple, okay? So there's that fun little pocket. And I'm going to show you this one. So it's the same thing. I had a rip in it, so I washi taped it. So you just take your half piece of paper, fold it in half, cut out a half circle here, like that. And if you don't want to sew, you just take your glue and glue here and here, and then done. And it's glued, and you got your pocket. Now, if you want to sew, you unfold it, do some fun decorative stitching here, or just zigzag, or however you want to do it. Just some fun stitching here. Then you put it where you want it, and then you just start at the bottom or wherever you want, start, and then zigzag or do whatever stitch you want all the way around. So I will go do this one really quick. Okay, so there we go. I just did some stitching around it. And I didn't stitch on this side because I didn't want to lose the depth on my pocket. But you feel free, you know, you can make this a little wider and then it won't matter. But let's see, what do we got? So you can stick something in here. Do a little one here. Big one there. Stick some cute little ones here. Okay, and what else do we got? This one. So you can stick whatever you want. I got some little ones here. Okay, so you just load them up. And so we got 3 cute little pockets that you can make out of some fun coffee paper, some coffee dyed paper. So this is 3 easy ways to make some pockets, and I want to show you how we can put them in our journals. Let me just find a page, any old page, and I will show you. So you could take this one, and you could glue it, for sure. You can just take some glue, and you can just glue the 3 sides and have a pocket behind it too. Or you could just glue all the way around and glue it all and stick it down. Or you could just take it and pop like that, and then everything is in there. So there you could do that. Okay, same with this one. Same concept, you could do the same thing. And then this one, you could glue it down. Just glue here all the way down, and you can have a slide in here and here, or you could just glue it all the way down. Or you could just take it, but you could do it here, probably on the other side. This would work better. So then, I was trying to do that weird, trying not to get in the way of the camera. There we go. So you can clip it like that, and then you got your little clip on the side. So yeah, so there's some fun little things you can do with some coffee dyed paper or some fun papers that you have. And this was just standard copy paper that I dyed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And please like if you like it. Hit the like button, it helps me a lot. And if you could, subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.